objective is to plan audit to perform in an effective manner. Involvement of key engagement team members in planning audit, engagement partner and other members of engagement team shall, shall be involved in planning. Their involvement in planning Their involvement in planning draws on their experience and insight, enhancing effectiveness, efficiency of planning process. Discussion of element of planning with entities management. Auditor may discuss elements of planning with entities management. Engagement partner and other key members of engagement team shall be involved in planning. Their involvement in planning draws on their experience and insight, enhancing effectiveness, efficiency of planning process. Auditor may discuss elements of planning with entities management to facilitate audit engagement. When discussing matters included in overall audit strategy or plan should not compromise effectiveness of audit. Benefits of planning helps auditor to devote appropriate attention to important areas of audit, to identify and resolve potential problems on timely basis, to properly organize and manage audit engagement, to selection of engagement team members with competence and capabilities and proper assignments of work, in facilitating direction and supervision of engagement team members and review of their work, in coordination of work done by auditors of components and experts. Stay quiet and study. Yes, I'm not able to study like this. Okay, Adi, you can mute me. Actually, if I don't study loud, then I cannot memorize. That's why. Audit planning a continuous process. Planning is not a discrete phase of audit, but rather a continual and iterative process. It begins shortly after completion of previous audit and continues until completion of current audit. Planning includes consideration of timing of certain activities and audit procedures that need to complete it prior to performance of further audit procedure. Which attempt? Actually, this is my second attempt. Are you preparing for group 2? Example planning includes need to consider prior to auditors identification and assessment of from matters such as analytical procedures 520, 250, 320, 620, 520, 250, 520, 250, 320, 620 and other audit procedure. Other risk assessment procedure RAP. Analytical procedure, understanding of legal and regulatory framework, determination of materiality, involvement of expert, and performance of other risk assessment procedure. First attempt. No, I am preparing for group 2 only. I attempt on May 26, and my score was 102, not that much. Only costing I got 45, and others audit 22, and FMSM 33. That's very less. That's why I'm doing hard work this time now. Analytic procedure to be applied as risk assessment procedure, obtaining understanding of legal algorithm. Okay, so involvement of key engagement team members. No, I am doing self study and YouTube free lectures. So I learned from Ketul Kaleria. One channel is there in YouTube, free lectures available, and Ranjan Periwal sir marathon I preferred, but less of practice, due to less of practice and my speed in exam. That's why I failed. Costing question was very easy, and every question I'm able to do, but due to time management, only half questions I able to do, and others I have to left. That's why I also failed in costing. Thank you. All the best you too. Yes, audit from Subham sir, Subham Keswani. Subham sir's marathon lecture I have preferred. My first attempt broke through. Okay, best of luck. Do hard work and do more practice, and also do mock test RTP, MTP, PYQ. Do lots of practice. You will be able to crack. Okay, best of luck. Okay, so involvement of key engagement team members in planning audit, discussion of elements of planning with entities management, benefits of audit planning, audit planning, a continuous process, planning process, elements of planning, preliminary engagement activities, planning activities, PAPA. Preliminary engagement activities and planning activities. Preliminary engagement activities, auditor consider whether relationship with client should be continued and whether ethical requirements it includes. Elements of planning, preliminary engagement activities, planning activities. Preliminary engagement activities, auditor consider whether relationship with client should be continued and whether ethical requirements including independence have been compiled with. It includes performing procedures regarding continuance of client relationship, acceptance and continuance of client relationship and audit engagements, ensures appropriate procedure for acceptance and continuance of client relation and audit engagement followed. Firm should obtain necessary information before accepting an engagement. Matters such as integrity of principal owners and key management, competence of engagement team to perform audit engagement, and implications of matters arising during current and previous audit engagement need to be considered for initial engagement. Communicate with predecessor auditor where there was change of auditors. Okay, so elements of planning are two types: planning engagement activities PIA, planning engagement activities and planning activities. Preliminary engagement planning, preliminary engagement activities and planning activities. Preliminary engagement activities, auditor consider whether relationship with client should be continued and whether ethical requirements including independence will compiled with. It includes performing procedure regarding continuance of client relationship, acceptance and continuance of client relationship, and audit engagement ensures appropriate procedures for acceptance and continuance of client relations and audit engagement followed. Firm should obtain necessary information before accepting an engagement. Matters such as integrity of principal owners and key management, competence of engagement team to perform audit engagement, and implications of matters arising during current and previous audit engagement need to be considered. For initial engagement, communicate with predecessor auditor where there is change of auditor. Ensure appropriate procedures for acceptance and continuance of client relationship and audit engagement followed. Firm should obtain necessary information before accepting an engagement. Matters such as integrity and principal owners of key management, competence of engagement team to perform audit engagement, and integrity of principal owners, integrity of principal owners and key management, competence of engagement team to perform audit engagement, and implication of matters arising during current and previous audit engagement need to be considered. For initial engagement, communicate with predecessor auditor where there is change of auditor. Evaluating compliance with ethical requirements including independence. Independence means judgment of a person is not subordinate to business or direction of another person who might have engagement. Engagement partners are compliance with relevant ethical requirements of members of engagement team. If matters come to engagement partners' attention that engagement team members have not complied with relevant ethical requirements, EP in consultation with other firm shall take appropriate action. Establish understanding of terms of engagement. Performance procedure regarding continuous of client relationship, evaluating compliance with ethical requirements, including independence, establishing an understanding of terms of engagement. Auditor sends audit engagement letter before commencement of audit to avoid misunderstandings with respect to audit. It ensures understanding of terms of engagement. Thank you, Adi. Establishing an understanding of terms of engagement. Auditors sends audit engagement letter before commencement. Evaluating compliance with ethical requirements, including independence. Independence means judgment of a person is not subordinate to wishes or direction of another person who might have engaged him. Engagement partners shall remain alert for evidence of non-compliance with relevant ethical requirements by members of engagement team. If matters come to engagement partners' attention that engagement team members have not complied with relevant ethical requirements, engagement partner in consultation with others informed shall take appropriate actions. Establishing an understanding of terms of engagement. Auditor sends audit engagement letter before commencement of audit to avoid misunderstanding with respect to audit. It ensures there is no confusion with client regarding terms of engagement. How performance such activities assist an auditor performing peer assist auditor in identifying and evaluating events or circumstances that may affect auditor's ability to plan. Assist auditor in identifying evaluating events or circumstances that may affect auditor's ability to plan and perform the audit engagement. Planning activities involves establishing overall audit strategy,
একজনই তো। এটা কে?
আমি
এইটা
জানি না। কথা বললো আমাকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দেবে। Good morning. Let's back to study. Identify characteristics of engagement that define its scope. Some of characteristics are as under: applicable effort if applicable to the entity, industry specific reporting requirements required by industry, regulators, nature of business segments to be audited, including need for specialized knowledge, expected use of audit evidence to obtained in previous audits, a certain reporting objectives of engagement to plan timing of audit and nature of communications required some instances. আমার ওটা কেটেছিস, কেটে দিয়েছিস তাহলে hello everyone, good morning. Are you also giving CA exams? If yes, then comment me below. You can join me or you can subscribe me every day from 5 a.m. I used to study live, so you can quietly join me and do your own study, okay? Oh, my gallery, are you giving inter, CA inter? Is this your first attempt? My gallery asks you, what's your name? Reply. A certain reporting objectives of engagement. Yes, CA inter, but not first. Which attempt you are giving? My also, it's not first attempt. Don't worry, we will crack it, okay? Chaitanya from Vijay. Okay, Chaitanya. Which attempt you were giving, Chaitanya? Hello, Chaitanya. Due to network problem actually. Okay, no, due to network problem actually. Okay, no problem. No problem. Mahadev. Good morning. Are you also a CA student? Which group you are preparing for? CA student? Which group you are preparing for? And what's your name? You can subscribe my channel. I every day used to live. Are you in inter? Yes, I am in inter. I am giving group 2. This is my second attempt actually. But this time I think it will be last attempt also. Let's see. And you, intermediate CA. Okay, you are also. Are you preparing for both group or only group 1 or group 2? I am preparing for group 2 only. Then in January I will give group 1 if I able to crack it this time. Let's see. Okay, let's study. Every day I used to come live every morning, evening, whenever you feel free to study. Okay, quietly study. I'm just talking now because you commented below, that's why. From 5 a.m. every day I used to come and study, so you can just mute me and do your own study. uh, if you feel like early morning you are not able to study and feel bored anything, then you can join me. Okay. Overall audit strategy, assistance to auditor. Overall audit strategy sets scope, timing and direction of audit and guides development of more detailed audit plan. Factors to be considered by auditor for establishing audit strategy. Some of characteristics are as under applicable FRF applicable to the entity. Industry specific reporting requirements required by industry regulators. Nature of business segments to be audited, including need for specialized knowledge, expected use of audit evidence, preparing both group in upcoming May 27 or May 27. Okay. Is this your first attempt, Vakt Mahadeva? A certain reporting engagement to requires some table for reporting. Okay, best of luck for your first attempt. Do hard work, do lots of practice, and uh, I'm not able to crack it this time, but that's why I'm suggesting you. So focus on your speed and lots of practice RTP, MTPs and PYQ. Okay. Best of luck. Okay, let's thank you. Thank you. Okay, so a certain reporting objectives of engagement to plan timing of audit and nature of communications entities. Some instances entities timetable for reporting, organization of meetings to discuss of NTE of audit work with management, organization of meetings to discuss of NTE of audit work with management, discussion with management regarding expected type and timing of reports to be issued for including audit report, discussion with management regarding expected communications on status of audit work throughout engagement, expected nature and timing of communications among engagement team members, team meetings and reviews. Consider factors that in auditor professional judgment significant in directing whoever just liked my video, thank you so much. ঠিক আছে চলো a certain reporting objectives of engagement to plan timing of audit and nature of communications requires some instances entities timetable for reporting, organizations meeting to discuss of NTE of audit work with management, discussion with management regarding expected type and timing of report to be issued, including audit report, discussion with management regarding expected consider factors that in auditors professional judgment significant directing engagement teams efforts, preliminary identification of material Account balance class of transaction help auditor in establishing audit strategy. More energies need to be devoted to significant matters to obtain desired outcomes. Volume on transaction, where it is more efficient for auditor to rely on internal control verification. Significance, industry development like changes in industry regulation and new reporting requirements, significant changes in the FRF like changes in accounting standards. Other significant relevant developments like changes in legal environment affecting the entity. Consider results of preliminary engagement activities and whether knowledge gained on other engagement performance by engagement partner for entity is relevant. Result of previous audit that involved evaluating operating effectiveness of internal control, including overall audit strategy sets scope, timing, and direction. Factors to be considered: characteristics of engagement that defines its scope, a certain reporting objectives of engagement, to plan timing. Oh. That's tasty. Okay, so results of previous audits that involve evaluating operating effectiveness of internal control, including nature of identified deficiencies and action taken to address them, manner in which auditor emphasizes to engagement team members need to maintain a questioning mind and exercise professional skepticism in gathering and evaluating audit evidence, a certain nature, time, and extent of resources to perform the engagement, selection of engagement team, and assignment of work is a significant factors. Experienced team members may be assigned in areas where there is higher ROM. Similarly, engagement budgeting and devotion of more time to areas of high ROM. To those who are watching my live, good morning, and write in the comment section that are you also a CA student. If yes, then let's build a community. Let's join me every day from 5 a.m. Only hard work and study. If you are facing any difficulties, then you can comment me. I will explain that if I know. I'm preparing for group 2, so if you are also preparing for group 2, or and if you have any doubt on any topic, then you can comment me below. I will explain it in my live. The whole day I used to do live 10 to 12 hours, so you can subscribe me and join with me, okay? A certain nature, timing and extent of resources to perform the engagement. Selection of engagement team and assignment of work is a significant factor. Experienced team members may be assigned in areas where there is high ROMM. Similarly, engagement, budgeting and devotion of more time to areas of high ROMM. Anyone still watching my video, you can also watch my shorts, my animation shorts I made. I am a beginner, but I still made some animation shorts on audit revision. 30-second shorts, you can check. If you like it, then you can subscribe my channel, okay? Those who are telling me best of luck, thank you so much and best of luck. Elements of planning: preliminary engagement activities, planning activities. Preliminary engagement activities, evaluating compliance with ethical requirement, including independence, establishing an understanding of terms of engagement. If you are watching my live, you can watch my shorts also. 30-second shorts, 30-second audit revision, complicated topics in just 30 seconds. You can watch that, okay? If you like it, then you can subscribe, otherwise just swipe away. You can watch my shorts, animation shorts that in my channel uploaded. And I am a beginner, so if I did any mistake, you can comment me below or comment me in my shorts, then I will rectify that, okay? And tell me how the shorts is, how I did my audit revision. Check my shorts, just check one shorts is 30 seconds, and in 30 seconds you are able to know what is audit engagement, what is material misstatement, who is an auditor. Objectives of SS 200, everything you will get to know within 30 seconds through my shorts. So go to my channel and view my animation shorts I made. If you like it, then you can subscribe, otherwise you can swipe away. Okay, so now factors to be considered by auditor for establishing audit strategy. Identify characteristics of engagement that define its scope. Some of characteristics are as under: applicable FRF, applicable to the entity. Industry specific reporting requirements required by industry regulators. Nature of business segments to be audited, including need for specialized knowledge, expected use. Only one person is watching my live, and see also gone. Okay, so only one person is watching my live now. I'm first of all, good morning and thanks for joining me. And you can see my shorts I uploaded in my channel, and those are animation shorts on audit revision. You can get to know what is material misstatement, what is who is an auditor only within 30 seconds. So you can watch, and if you don't like it, just swipe away. If you like it, then give a like button and subscribe my channel. Okay. Did you watch my shorts? How is my shorts is? I uploaded in my channel. Hey, the one who are watching my live, did you watch my shorts? I uploaded in my channel my animation shorts on audit revision within 30 seconds. Yes, audit revision within 30 seconds. I uploaded in my shorts through animation. You will definitely like it. Just check my shorts. Overall audit strategy sets scope, timing, and direction of audit and guides development of more factors to be considered by auditor for establishing audit strategy. Identify characteristics of engagement that define its scope. Some of characteristics are under applicable to the entity industry specific reporting requirements required by industry behavior and nature of business including segments to be audited, including need for specialized knowledge respect to use of audit reportings. এরকম করে তো পড়া হয় না। Oh God. Do you know how to memorize audit? Audit is really difficult. And if you don't feel that audit is difficult, then best of luck, you are going to be a CF analyst soon. The one who is watching my video, you can check my shorts. I have made some animation shorts on audit revision. Within 30 seconds, you are able to know material misstatement, what is material misstatement, who is an auditor, objective of SA 200. Just check my shorts. If you like it, then do a like button and subscribe my channel. If you don't like it, then swipe away. Okay, just check and give me review. I am a beginner, so you can support me like this. Engagement and other key members of engagement team shall be involved in planning. Their involvement in planning draws on their experience and insights, enhancing effectiveness, efficiency. people who is still watching my live, you can check my shorts. I have made some animation shorts on audit revision. Audit revision within 30 seconds you are able to know what is material misstatement, what who is an auditor. You just check my shorts and give you that uh, and at 8 a.m. Okay, I will come live 8 again. Okay, bye bye. Hey everyone who are watching my live, to those I want to tell you something. I have made some animation video for the first time. I have uploaded in my shorts in my channel, so you can check that, and if you like it then you can do a like button, and if you don't like it then you just can swipe away. But I think you will definitely like it because it's an animation video, and within 30 seconds you are able to know what is material misstatement, who is an auditor, what is audit. You just check. If you like, then tell me what is your feedback. Definitely will accept it, and will try to rectify, will try to improve those mistakes. Okay, just comment me below. Hello to those who are still watching my video. I want to tell you something, that I have made some animation shorts, and if you like it you can just comment me. You can comment your feedbacks. I am a beginner, so I made like audit revision shorts, animation shorts. You will definitely like it. Just go to my channel and check my shorts. Okay, so I have 1% charge in my phone right now. I think I have to end my live session here. I'm trying my best. Let's see. Hey, to those who are watching my video, you can go to my channel and you can check my shorts. If you like it, then you can do a like button, and if you don't like it then just swipe away. Okay, so I am ending my session right now.